Hi, this is the FOSSiBOT F101 and I'll show you how to check battery health with Ampere app on this device. So first we should open the Play Store app and in the search pool we should enter the Ampere. And now we should get this application, so tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. After that, just tap to open the app, click to yes I agree and pick close. Tap to the left down corner to OK, and we could see here information about battery health. In my case, battery is in good condition. And also we got here more information like the battery capacity, voltage, Android version and more other info. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.